Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today's recipe is rather special. It's my mother's mushroom curry, which is loaded with onions. So it's kind of like a really heavy onion based curry. It's amazing, and once you've had the first spoonful, it's an explosion in your mouth. Let's run through the ingredients quickly and then we'll start cooking. So the ingredients you're going to need are 4 large onions which I've sliced thinly. I've got 700 grams of button mushrooms which I've sliced also. I have 4 tablespoons of oil here. I'm using coconut, you can use whichever one you wish, and the following spices. I have 1 tablespoon of whole cumin seeds. I've got 1.5 teaspoons of salt, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala. I have 1 cinnamon stick, 1 bay leaf and 1 black cardamom pod here. I have 4 cloves of garlic which I've minced, and half a teaspoon of chilli powder and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and we've got fresh coriander to garnish at the end. So let's start cooking. So first things first, get the pan nice and hot. Then in with your oil. And just let that melt. Then straight in with the onions. Give them a stir. And then lid on and just allow them to cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. We want them nice and soft but no colour on them. So just coming back to check on this, it's been cooking away for about 5 minutes with the lid on. And they've softened up really nicely. And we can add the rest of the ingredients in. So I've just transferred everything to a plate so it's just easier to add. I'm going to add that in. And then in with the garlic as well. Give that a stir. And we're just going to cook this further for about 3 to 4 minutes, just so the garlic's fully cooked through. And just look at that gorgeous colour on the onions. So lid back on again and keep the heat on high. So just coming back to check on this. That's looking lovely, and you can see that the spices are now catching at the bottom, so we can add the mushrooms into this now. And just give it a stir. And throughout the entire cooking process, you want to leave the gas on high, because you don't want any moisture to be left in the curry, and you want it to be dry fried quite quickly. Just make sure all the mushrooms are coated with that lovely onion masala. And just let that cook through now until the mushrooms have released their water, the natural water, and all that moisture is completely dry. So you have a very dry mushroom curry. So we're just going to check on this. So the mushrooms have started to release their own natural water, and any spices that were stuck at the bottom, they've started to come off now, which will obviously give the dish more flavour. And we're just going to wait until all of that moisture is completely dry, and then we'll add the final ingredient in to finish it off, and that's going to taste amazing. So as you can see, there's hardly any moisture left in there. The oil has started to separate and just come to the sides, and now we are ready to add the finishing touch to this. So a generous handful of fresh coriander. Now at this point you can turn the gas off and just stir that through. And there you have it. Now I'm going to plate this up and tell you exactly how it tastes. Moment of truth. Let me tuck into this and tell you exactly how it is. Oh. That is so good. Oh, the mushrooms and the onions. Oh, spice. Nice. I'm gonna have to go in for another one. Really good. Really, really good. Guys, do try the recipe out. It's absolutely amazing. It's my mum's dish, her recipe, and she'll be thrilled to hear if you guys tried it out. And do let me know when you do, and leave a message for me in the comments below. It's going to be great to hear from you guys. Anyway, I'm going to leave you with this recipe, and I will catch you in my next video very soon. In the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell button to be notified of any updates. Stay safe, cook lots, and happy eating.